Very good morning to dear students. Welcome to your computer class. Let us start our chapter 2, self-management skills. In previous lecture we have read about what is self-management. Okay. Now I will be reading more about the self-management only. Okay. So what is self-management? It can be defined as the application of skills and strategies that help an individual throughout his life to achieve goals and objectives and to become more productive. Okay, so if you have self management skills inside you, then you don't need anyone to motivate you. You will be able to make your own decisions. You will be setting your targets and objectives, and you will work towards the achievement of those goals and objectives yourself. Okay, you will be self motivated. Actually, you will take your decisions yourself. Okay, so it includes decision making. See, if you are taking decisions yourself, then you will be more organized. Okay, because you know better about yourself than anyone else knows. Okay, so in order to take effective decisions, one should be self managed. Okay, now it also includes time management. See, in order to maintain a proper systematic approach to achieve your goal, you must go for time management, and that can be achieved only when you have prepared timetable for you. Okay, so timetable will surely help you to manage the time properly. You better know in what duration of time what content you can cover. Okay, set your targets in such a way that are realistic. Don't make unrealistic targets for you. You know you can cover half chapter a day, so your target should not be I will cover this whole chapter today. So your target should be realistic, and your target should be logical also, and it should be according to the timetable also. Okay, next is your stress management. If your timetable is well managed, means you have planned everything, then and you are doing your best to manage your timetable, means you are working according to your timetable, then stress will automatically get managed. Because if you are preparing timetable and you are achieving your targets according to it, then definitely your stress will be managed. Fine. Then next is setting priorities. See, in day to day life we have to do many type of work, so we must go for setting the priorities. If we will not set our priorities, then we will do first an unimportant work, and our prior work, important work, will be left behind. Then we will be having so much stress in our mind, so that will not be right decision. So set the priorities in your life and work accordingly. You must have a positive attitude towards your personal and professional responsibilities. Every individual has some personal and professional responsibilities, and everyone must think positive in each and every situation, so that there is no stress in the life and everything goes smoothly. So best possible usage you can do with the self management of your abilities, your skills, and your knowledge. So if you are self managed, your decisions will be effective, your time will be well managed, you will be stress free, you will be able to decide your priorities in life, your attitude will be positive, and you will be able to utilize your skills and your knowledge to the maximum point.